Hi boys and girls, we are ready for another OG lesson. We're going to start with our sounds, playing our sound game. We need our tapping hand, your not writing hand, all right? We're going to tap out our sounds. If you notice, I start with my pinky because that's the left, and I tap to my right because we read from left to right. Here we go. Our first word is west. West. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. Our next word is barn. Barn. 3 sounds. Our next word is hug. Hug. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. Our next word is first. First. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. Our next word is must. Must. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. Our next word is skate. Skate. 4 sounds. Our next word is nag. Nag. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. Our next word is fog. Fog. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. Let's review some of our words. And oh, take a look. I've got a couple open syllable words. Remember, it ends in a vowel, so we say the name of that vowel. E-O. And then we have our LL and SSCK, TCH, FF. All right. You say these at the same time as me. Here we go. Go, latch, quick, notch, gruff, well, mess, tall, he. Oh, I see that A-L-L like in ball. Let's read these again a little bit smoother. Go, latch, quick, notch, gruff, well, mess, tall, he. Can you read these again with me and read them if you like going to eat at Wendy's? That's one of my favorite places. Go, latch, quick, notch, gruff, well, mess, tall, he. Excellent reading. Can we try this one more time? And you read it out loud if you like to go out to eat and eat pizza somewhere. Go, latch, quick, notch, gruff, well, mess, tall, he. Good reading. All right, I'm going to play a little game and you have to guess my word from these. I'm thinking of a word and it's the opposite, the antonym of short. I wish I was this sometimes. Tall, right. I'm thinking of a word and it's a synonym. It means the same as fast. Quick, right. I'm thinking of a word and it's the opposite, the antonym of stop. The opposite is go. I'm thinking of a word and it's something that you might flip up or put down when you're trying to open a gate. They call that a latch, right? I'm thinking of a word and this is kind of hard to explain. You know, on a climbing wall, and there's a little spot that you put your hand and your foot. It's a little just right spot that your foot and hand can fit in, so it helps you climb. That's called a notch, a little notch, a little place where something can go to help you climb or to put your foot or hand. I'm thinking of a word and it's called a pronoun. It's a word that takes the place of another word and it means for a boy or a man, a boy's name or a man's name. I would say he, right. This time you shout the word out before I say it and exit out. Ready? Well, notch, quick, tall, gruff, mess, latch, he, go. Good reading. Now remember, we've been working on this ending. DGE comes at the end of the word. It says J as in bridge. That's our keyword to help us. And we say at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, J is spelled D-G-E. Let's practice reading some D-G-E words. We got some new ones. You echo me. Grudge, pledge, lodge, nudge, ridge, edge, sludge, hedge, bridge. Can we read these again and reread them a little bit smoother? Here we go. You read them at the same time as me. Grudge, pledge, lodge, nudge, ridge, edge, sludge, hedge, bridge. So let's talk about some of these. We already know a lot of these. We've talked about bridge and edge and ridge. Lodge, remember we said that's like a hotel. I know there's something called Great Wolf Lodge and you can go and stay in a hotel there. So that's what that is, a place to stay. We've talked about nudge, like when you take your elbow and you kind of poke at your friend, you want their attention. Not hard though. Now a grudge, we say when you get upset with someone, you get mad, that you don't hold a grudge. That means you don't stay mad forever. You forgive them. And so when you forgive someone, you're not holding a grudge. You're not staying mad at them. Pledge, we say our pledge every day, and that's like a promise. Pledge means promise. We pledge to our country. We promise to be good citizens in our country. A hedge, you know, sometimes houses have what we call bushes. It's like another synonym to a bush, a little plant that grows, but it's bigger than a plant. And sometimes you have to trim the hedges, give them a haircut so they don't get all out of control growing and branches going everywhere. Sludge. I think of sludge, here's what I think. When it snows and then the snow on the edge of the road gets all yucky looking, muddy, and it starts melting a little bit. Sludge. That's sludge. It's yucky, gloppy, muddy, melty snow, sludge. All right. Let's read these again, and you read these out loud with me, loud and proud, because you're kind of voting when you do this. If you like to eat at McDonald's, grudge, pledge, lodge, nudge, ridge, edge, sludge, hedge, bridge. Now read them out loud. If you like to eat at Subway, grudge, pledge, lodge, nudge, ridge, edge, sludge, hedge, bridge. Let's read out loud one more time, and you read out loud if you like to eat at Arby's. Grudge, pledge, lodge, nudge, ridge, edge, sludge, hedge, bridge. Well, let's take a look. Can we find any rhyming words? They all have DGE. They gotta have the same vowel to rhyme. I see some. You, nudge, sludge, grudge. They're in the udge family. Let's see. I see E, pledge, edge. Edge is inside of pledge. And hedge. They rhyme. They're in the edge family. I see bridge and ridge. They both have an I. Idge family. Uh-oh, we have one that doesn't have a rhyming partner. Lodge. Doesn't have it. All right, you shout the word out before I exit out and say it. Ready? Nudge, ridge, pledge, hedge, lodge, bridge, sludge, grudge, edge. Good reading. Those were some big words. All right, let's get our paper. Let's get our pen. And we are ready to work and write. Get your name and the date. All right. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch as in catch. Ooh, I hear it at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled T-C-H. Write me the lowercase letter that says eh as in edge. Eh, it's our short vowel E. Our next one, write me the lowercase letter that says ah, like you're taking a bite of an apple. Ah, it's an A. Write me the lowercase letters that say k as in duck. I hear it at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled C-K. Write me the lowercase letter that says k as in kite. It's a K. Our kickstand goes underneath the line, the dotted line. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch as in chair. It's a CH. Write me the lowercase letters that say s as in class. Oh, I hear s at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. S is spelled SS. Write me the lowercase letter that says aw, aw as in ox. It's an O. Write me the lowercase letters that say as in up. It's a U. Write me the lowercase letters that say as in thumb. It's a TH. Write me the lowercase letters that say I as in itch. Itch your nose. It's an I. Write me the lowercase letters that say sh as in ship. It's an SH. All right, we're going to get ready to spell. Use our tapper hand to tap out our sounds. Here's our first word, patch. Patch. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. Ch. Well, remember when you hear ch at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH. Our next word is ditch. D-itch. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. Now, a ditch goes down like this, and it's on the side of the road sometimes, and then when it rains, it holds water. Ditch. You don't want your car to go down in the ditch. Here we go. D. Now make sure, use your B checker. You want a D. You shouldn't see the bubble. D-itch. Oh, I hear the ch at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled TCH. Our next word, fell. Ready? L. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. L. Oh, I hear O at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. O is spelled LL. Our last word, F-E-L-L. Our last word is mess. S. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. S. Oh, I hear S at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. S is spelled SS. Now remember, we're working on our sound D-G-E. So let's say that as we write it. D-G says J. D-G-E says J. D-G-E says J. D-G-E says J. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, J is spelled D-G-E. Let's flip our paper over. We're going to work on some J, D-G-E words. We need our tapper hand to help us. Our first word is wedge, like an apple slice, an apple wedge. W-edge. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. Now, wedge is not a question word. It starts like wagon, just a W. Edge. I hear the J at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. J is spelled D-G-E, W-E-D-G-E. Our next word is nudge, N-A-J. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes, but 5 letters. N-A-J. I hear the J at the end of a one-syllable word. This is one syllable. If I snap the beat, nudge. After one short vowel, it says J is spelled D-G-E. N-U-D-G-E. Our next word, bridge. Go slow at the beginning. Br-idge. 4 sounds and 6 letters. Let's go slow. Br, 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 idge. I hear the J at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. J is spelled D-G-E. Now make sure you have a B at the beginning and a D in the middle. B-R-I-D-G-E. 6 letters. Our last word, ledge. L-edge. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. L-edge. I hear the J at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. J is spelled D-G-E. L-E-D-G-E. Let's go back and read these all together. Wedge, nudge, bridge, ledge. Good job. All right, we don't have a brand new memory word. We practiced this yesterday. Do you remember it? D-O says do. I will do my reading. I will do my chores. Do your best, someone might say. Let's use our skywriting hand. Let's look at it and spell it. Here we go. D-O says do. D-O says do. D-O says do. All right, let's write it. Make sure you're making a D. Double check it with your B checker. D-O says do. D-O says do. D-O says do. D-O says do. Let's put our pen down. Skywriter arm out. Let's look at the letters. Let's spell it 2 more times. D-O says do. Now close your eyes and write it. D-O says do. All right, can you write it without looking? And then we'll check. Got it? D-O says do. Now, do you remember how to spell that question word which? Which kind of pizza should I eat? Remember, this one starts like whistle. W-H-I-C-H. It's a question word. Which? Do you remember how to spell each? Each one of you did your best. E-A-C-H. Each. Do, which, each. All right, let's get ready for our sentence. Let's get our COPS card. Let's write it on our paper. C for capital, O for order, P for punctuation, S for spelling. Might be a telling sentence, might be an asking sentence, might be a sentence to show expression and need an exclamation point. You're going to have to listen to my voice because it tells you. You write and read from left to right. Edge to edge. Here's our sentence. Can I catch the ball? Oh, my voice went up. Can I catch the ball? You might want to join in a game and ask, can I catch the ball? Oh, since my voice went up and we're asking, it's a question mark. I'm using that question word can at the beginning. You're waiting for an answer. Can I catch the ball? Yes or no? Let's count our words. Can I catch the ball? 5 words. So we've had that memory word can. We've got to start with our capital K, and it's a roundy vowel, so we get our C, roundy C. Can I? Now remember, I by itself is always uppercase. It's always capital. Can I catch? Let's tap out catch. Catch. Now catch has the A, which is a roundy vowel, so we need the roundy letter C. Can I catch? Oh, I hear ch at the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled T-C-H. Can I catch the... I'm going to bring my word down here so I don't want to squeeze it in. Can I catch the ball? Remember ball, B, and then all. That chunk of all, A-L-L. Make sure you made a B. Now, remember, can I catch the ball? We're asking someone, and if we're asking, we need a question mark. Question mark, can I catch the ball? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a messy 4, 4, 5. 5 words. Capital, we got our order, punctuation, spelling. We just had to tap out catch. Really think about the K. Can I catch the ball? All right, good job today.